Diabetes is a chronic disease that causes health problems. Complications include tingling and numbness in the feet and hands. Vision issues and kidney failure are also among them. Diabetes increases the risk of heart disease, high blood pressure, and stroke. Diabetes patients fail to produce enough insulin or none at all to control their blood glucose levels. Type 1 diabetes is caused by genetics, whereas type 2 diabetes is caused by diet and obesity. Type 1 diabetes is difficult to prevent, whereas type 2 diabetes is managed through diet and exercise. A good diet plan can help diabetes control blood sugar levels on a macro level. Fruits in the diet can help to prevent diabetes naturally. Colored fruits are high in antioxidant vitamins and fibers, which help to stabilize blood sugar. It appears to be a myth that diabetics should avoid eating fruits. Fiber-rich fruits for diabetics include watermelon, strawberries, papaya, plums, and muskmelon. These fruits have the ability to regulate blood sugar levels. Diabetics benefit from the vitamins and minerals found in fresh lime. Fruit juices, on the other hand, should be avoided due to their high sugar content. Juice should be avoided in diet plans because it raises blood sugar levels. Mango, custard, apples, banana, and grapes are high in sugar and should not be included in the fruit group. As a result of their high fat and condensed energy content, dry fruits cannot be classified as fruits. Dates, the dark-colored oval fruits, should be left off the list of fruits because they are high in calories and should be avoided by diabetics. Dried dates, on the other hand, are high in calcium and iron. Diabetics can consume apples, blueberries, cherries, kiwi fruit, pears, pineapples, mangoes, and black currants in moderation. There are 10 grams of carbohydrate in 75 grams of any of these fruits. Similarly, to get 10 grams of carbohydrate, eat 100 grams of guava, lemon, orange, papaya, peach, strawberries, or blackberries. A 50-gram serving of coconut meat, raspberries, or gooseberries contains 10 grams of carbohydrate. Diabetics can adjust their fruit intake according to their body's needs. Diabetics, like everyone else, can eat fruits. Citrus fruit contains manganese, which is an important component of insulin. Citrus has been studied by Western Ontario University because it contains a flavonoid with insulin-like properties. Naringenin is another name for the flavonoid. Although fruits are permitted for diabetic patients, excessive consumption of fruits can cause blood sugar levels to rise. You must always keep an eye on the portion of the fruits. Consuming fruits in moderation can help you control your blood sugar levels. Bitter melon has long been used as a diabetic remedy in the Far East. Bitter melon increases insulin flow by increasing glucose absorption. It also has insulin effectiveness. The onion family can help with blood sugar control. Garlic, leek, onion, and scallion are all members of the onion. Thank you for watching and may this information useful for you.